Alright, we're back here and we're going to try to figure out how this works. It starts off by saying, please review the help to prepare for your first flight. Sure, we'll press that button. Is it a drone or is it a helicopter? I believe it is a helicopter. So it'll tell us what to do. They need to do some kind of pairing with the device. So I'm guessing you turn on the drone, otherwise what are you going to pair it with? And it wants you to do some kind of Wi-Fi thingy. So I'll have to do that separately. And then it has the remote here, and I can turn the remote on as well. I'm not sure if it even needs that, but I don't like flying things unless the remote helps. So not sure if any of that helped, but I connected it up to what I believe to be the setup, but I do not want to fly it using that. I want the actual... These instructions look pretty complicated. Okay. So at the very least, when I turn it on, I'd like to add to your photos, or I'm going to have to say aloud for this. This is what the drone is actually, well, not the drone, but the helicopter is seeing. As far as will it fly, I don't know. It is connected. I don't know how this works. Oh, okay, no, that's not how it works. This is how it works. Okay. You sort of stick it on there like that. Cool. Oh, whoa. Does that mean it did anything? It did something, and then it flashed something. But I'm not getting any... I want it to be like a virtual... Oh, cool. You could even have this in VR, I guess. Cool. That is very cool. And yet, I can't get it to... Come on, get up there. It is connected, obviously. Trimming. No, I don't want to trim it. Calibration instruction. Alright, anyways, I'm going to figure it out and come back because it's already 3 minutes into this thing. And so, yeah. Was not able to fly it right away. Thanks for watching.